Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that's right. I got to stay next to you.
You don't have to. You ready?
Yeah.
All right,
It's
man.
recording.
So I got the CG right on this one, and it flies awesome.
Now, how'd you get the CG right? What'd you do?
I followed the instructions in the book, believe it or not, but I actually put the lipo in the middle bay on top versus in the front. And so I'll show you. Yeah, follow the directions. First time I took it off, I had it here. It was extremely nose heavy. Put it there. These are 5,000 6S's. One goes there, one goes here. Tuck the cords, and there you go. So the manual does state that. If you watch Motion RC's video on this too, they had theirs there as well, and everybody else is having good success with it there. So let's have some good success. And I have yet had to take it off with flaps on. So, and it's literally taken off at what, about 300 feet, I guess. From there to about that yellow spot, it'll take off.
No, that's about 150. That ain't much at all.
Here we go. The CG is right. It's ready to roll. Check that out. World of difference, man, with that CG.
Night and day.
Yeah, completely. So
Pretty much jumped off the ground.
it did. It's got a ton of power, man. And it flies really good.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's just smooth and fluid. Go high speed, fast. I'm gonna do a slow pass for you too, just to show you how well it handles.
That looks great.
I mean, it's amazing.
A couple still shots would look awesome.
Oh, I know. Look at that, it's turning. And it's fun to go fast, you know, but it's also fun to go slow too. It just looks cool. I'm gonna bring it in really slow.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures. I can do that.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Yeah, that'd be cool. You did it.
It's got plenty of power to get out of trouble. Check that out.
That's tough. It's mushing along.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Jet Harrier
amazing.
action.
Yeah. Let's see, we're pushing at 3 minutes here, so do a high speed pass here, low. You ready, Joe?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No elevator. No fucking elevator. All right. So this is the crash. There is absolutely had no control whatsoever.
Look, there's
Of
the
it.
EDF unit.
Look at that.
Look where it hit the ground.
Dude, it just hit in hard.
Look at that. It broke through the dirt.
Not sure what happened or whatever, but absolutely no control. Did all the servo mods on the elevator and it still didn't help whatsoever. So we're gonna take this thing back apart and figure out what the heck happened and let Motion RC know what the hell's going on. There we go.
It's the wrong batteries, Bob.
All right, so here we go. Got the airplane on the table. Everything on the blue box is still plugged in. It's actually bypassed. So Not really sure. You know what?
3% there.
All right, this one had 53% left in this lipo here, and
was
it's
the one that's
dinged
damaged.
up. This one's dinged up. It's not split. That's cool. We'll test that one and see. I'm missing my receiver.
We can go back and look.
And that was at 51%. So you could say that it definitely wasn't the batteries. It was definitely something to do with the elevator. And look at the elevator. This one's up, but this one is not. So we don't know what happened there. So, no telling. No telling.